I'm Chef Cory Bahr, and today we're talking alligator. So for this dish, you're gonna need a 1-pound package of alligator. This is pre-tenderized, makes it easier on you. You're gonna need 2 cups each of potato starch and rice flour, 1 lemon, some hot sauce, some Creole seasoning, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, buttermilk, and fresh dill. So let's just jump right in here. So for the alligator, we wanna impart some flavor to it and make sure it's extra, extra tender. So we're gonna use buttermilk and a hot sauce as the marinade, and that's it. It needs to go overnight. So we've got some right here that's been marinating overnight. So I'm gonna go ahead and make up the dredge or the dry part. So you have your rice flour and your potato starch. Now, you may be asking yourself, where can you get these ingredients? This is very simple. Fiesta Nutrition will have them. Also that health food section in Brookshire's. And I know when I say health food, sometimes people can be like, oh, I don't know if that's for me. This just makes it super crunchy and delicious. We're just gonna give those a quick mix. And right into this, we're gonna add our alligator that's been marinated. It's not fun unless you got flour flying all over the kitchen. You just give them a quick toss. You wanna make sure it gets fully coated. This is a great way to get the kids to eat something new, because this is like, I mean, I hate to say this, but this is like the chicken nugget of the bayou right here. So we're just gonna let that rest for a second so that breading can adhere and hydrate. We're gonna go ahead and make up our sauce. It's super simple. I mean, it is really, really simple. We have some Duke's mayonnaise here. We're gonna wind up using about 3/4 of a cup of Duke's mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and the juice of half a lemon, freshly squeezed. This is honey from our backyard. You can use any natural honey, just a nice little dollop, whatever you like. And that's literally the sauce right there. We call it Dijonnaise, just having a little bit of fun with it. Set it aside. We're ready to do this. Here at the restaurant, we have a fryer that's set at 375 degrees. 365 is fine, anything over 350. And it's gonna take about 3.5 minutes to cook the alligator all the way through. So we're just gonna grab these, go right into our fryer. You can use this to fry chicken at home, fish, any kind of game bird like a quail even would work great. Again, we're gonna give that 3.5 minutes. We'll be ready to go. It's important when it first comes out of the fryer, pop it on a paper towel, give it a little roll around, pull the paper towel out. Just gonna give it a nice little coat of Creole seasoning. Y'all can hear how crunchy that sounds. Really amazing. And again, like I said, it's great on fish, game birds like quail, fried chicken, you name it. This is our Dijonnaise, and fresh dill really adds a great herbaceousness. There you have it.